Eating raw garlic every day can have a number of amazing health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of garlic is its ability to boost the immune system. Garlic contains compounds, such as allicin, that have antimicrobial properties, making it effective against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Additionally, garlic has been shown to increase the number of T cells in the body, which are an important part of the immune system. Another benefit of garlic is its ability to lower blood pressure. Garlic contains compounds that can help to relax the smooth muscles of blood vessels, which can help to lower blood pressure. Additionally, garlic can help to reduce the formation of blood clots, which can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a useful tool in the management of conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Garlic is also thought to have antioxidant properties, which can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. In addition to its potential health benefits, garlic is a low-calorie, low-fat food that is versatile in cooking and is a flavorful addition to a variety of dishes. It can be added to salad dressings, marinades, stir-fries, soups and sauces. It's worth noting that most studies on garlic have been conducted on garlic supplements rather than whole garlic, which may not have the same effects. Also, the amount of active compounds in garlic can vary depending on factors such as how it's grown and prepared. While eating raw garlic every day can provide many health benefits, it may not be appropriate for everyone. Garlic can cause gastrointestinal side effects, such as bloating and heartburn in some people. Also, garlic can interact with certain medications, so it's always best to talk to a doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Overall, garlic is a delicious and nutritious food that can provide a wide range of health benefits when eaten regularly. Incorporating it into your daily diet in a moderate way is a great idea for anyone looking to improve their health.